Building a house in Minecraft can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are the steps to build a simple house in Minecraft. Choose a location. Find a flat area that is large enough to build your house. You can also consider building on a hill or near a body of water for added aesthetic value. Gather resources. Collect resources such as wood, stone, and cobblestone by cutting down trees and mining. Create a foundation. Start by creating a basic rectangular outline of the house using blocks of your choice. This will serve as the foundation. Build walls. Create walls around the foundation, leaving spaces for doors and windows. You can use different materials for different parts of the wall for added variety. Add doors and windows. Place doors and windows in the designated areas. You can use glass blocks for windows. Create a roof. Build a roof over the walls using your chosen materials. You can make a simple flat roof or a sloped roof for added character. Add finishing touches. Add decorative elements such as a chimney, flower boxes, or a porch. You can also add furniture and other items inside the house. Light up the interior. Place torches or other light sources inside the house to keep it well lit and safe from mobs. Enjoy your new house. Once you've finished building, you can move into your new Minecraft house and start exploring the world around you. Remember, building a house in Minecraft is all about creativity and personalization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and designs to make your house unique and customized to your liking.